put in and put on. This is phrasal verb. Put in, put on, and put in. We can make it like this. Like what? Put. Okay? Input and output. Output. We gaan een brief om die aan te due to that, due to this. So reading like that. The product of the factor is mathematically variable. Extremely important family is a function of mathematics called there are extremely important families, some function in mathematical called polynomial, very important. Study the quite simply in the polynomial function with x as input variable. Again, input variable becomes f of x. X is what? Input, equal to and x square plus x and the last one. X is what? Input, because we put it in the y is because when we do it at the end we got the values of f of x or y. F of x or y. Y f of x jechuun tokkuma. F of x equal to y jechuun tokkuma isa lamaan jechuun. Yeroo isa kana hojjennu gati x buufnee jechuudha. Let x equal to 1 jennee fudhannee 1 egaa baasii galchinu. When we put 1 in that function, we get this value f of x, no f of 1, because we have to put instead of x 1 goes in due to the 1 square plus 1, because there is only x plus 1. We got what? We got 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 2 plus 1 is the last one is what? What's the value of the last one is 3. These are what? The values of f of x or y. F of x equal to y due to this f of 1 equal to what? Y. Y ingenya mega sadii. Okay, as a variable akka jijjiiramatti qabanni kun jennu akka jijjiiramatti haa input goonu keessa qagalchinu input jennu. We have to take it and put in because f of x is in f of x is in f is engulf of x, y is engulf x liqimsee keessa liqimsee x keessa liqimsee y engulfs x in goonii keessa as a variable akka jijjiiramatti, because x is what? It's variable consisting of the sum several terms. Each term is the product of two factors. The first, find the real number coefficient, and the second, find x is raised to some non-negative integers power a. The first being real number coefficient is a real number. The second being x is raised to some negative integer power cosa nato cosa vuole f of x y and we f of x equal to a x raised to a n raised to a n times x raised to n, or the x power of n plus a n minus 1 and also x raised to n minus 1 n minus x n minus 1 n is what? The positive integer. Positive integer. Positive which is positive integer. Positive integer. When we say positive integer start from what? Let me write it. Start when we say the positive integer. Positive integer is right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, to the negative way. Start from 1 to infinity. Infinity. When we call what? The positive integer. So positive integer when we draw on the line number, let me draw it or this starts from 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, due to this we call the positive integer start from 1 up to infinity and continuous infinity. This symbol is represent, we call it infinity. It's just like the lie 8 yerootti qoosan akkas jedhu qoostonni 8 tachiiftuun maalii yeroo baafii gaafatan mul'ata. Anyways, and it's infinity. This is positive infinity. When we make it negative, we have to put in front of it negative. This is negative infinity. With what is there is what? A negative. Due to that, a negative infinity, there is a positive infinity. We don't should to write the positive in front of infinity because we know it's positive. Positive as a barreessu kan nuti rakkoo ni beekna handi asaniifoo akkanuma barreeffamu qaba jechuudha. Positive as a guru at the rakkoo because it's we know it's positive. Positive akka ta'e ni beekna handi and this petition waan goonuu natti fakkaata. Yes, maal bifa isaaniin positive negative infinity negative integer negative integer negative kan negative kan hin qabaatini Okay, in this unit we will look at different components of polynomial function. These are the terms: the polynomial function, zeros polynomial function, and then the graph of polynomial function. Then the graph is a zeros polynomial function. We will see it in clearly way. It's the basic of the graph. Polynomial function is what is smooth in the continuous. It doesn't curve. It doesn't have what jump. Akkuma jalqaba achi gaditti barneeturee rogaa yeroo daandii magaalaa Finfinnee isa korboo yookaan geengoo kaasuudhaanitti yeroo kaasuuf akkuma kaasuuf yaallee turre. This is as a function, that's a graph. We draw is there is no gap, there is no jump. Due to this, the function is a continuous, smoothly. Well, they continuously smoothly. No urada kamali kutasa kayoga murasha kamali continuously. This function is a polynomial function. We call it what? Is a smooth in the curve. It is. We call it what? Polynomial function. No gap, is in. This is here. Asii akkana salaatii itti muraamu sadii akkana kan muraamu jiraatu. Mine is jumping to the gap jira. Due to this function is not polynomial function. Trace la akkana ta'e but this polynomial function is maltu is smoothly smooth and curved curved smoothly there. Smoothly, it's continuously go forever. Doesn't bounded. Function everything there is just like fucking this example I take it and try to show you. Fucking over the ejercicio de viyale trione pues con gambalina yani lalda. Basically the graph polynomial function is a smoothly curve and smoothly. Sorry, pardon me, man. I never got that. The coefficient, however, you will going to over how to use it, the degree of even and odd. And the leading coefficient determine the behavior of its graph. Even which is even, which is odd. Kenya from as it way open problem minus 0.3 t raised to 3 is 0.6 t raised to 3 t the power of 3 raised to raise raise. I don't know how to spell it, but raise. I call it raise. You see how T kupa mega jira sati jira. When we call T raised to 3, T is the power of 3. See what and I can call it like we prefer to use majority equals the function is in which no two or no order pair have the same first element, which means that for any given x in the domain of f, there is what? Unique pair. X comma y belongs to the function of this one. Qabeenya isaaniitti belongs to this is show us the position possess kennuun jechuu karaa biraatiin qabeenyummaa agarsiisa. Qabeenyi isa kanaati waa'ee kana unique pair kiseennu unique pair ta'e jiru bifa kanaan unique ta'e jiru equal unique pair is belongs to the function. In grade 9 you have seen this function in unit 4. You have discussed function such as discuss f of x 2 over 3x plus 1 over 2, and also g of x 5 minus 3x approximately h of x equal to 8x, and also approximately L of x equal to minus the radical of 3x plus 2.7. The radical is only for 3, not for x. I mean that L of x equal to minus and the radical of 3. X is out of what? The radical. Radically is stand for only for what? For 3 or but it is radically. This function is a linear function, and a linear function is the degree of the linear function is what? 1. The degree of linear function is 1 because x is here 1 and also here 1 is 1. Okay, x is 1 or is x raised to 1 x the power of 1 is equal to x document doesn't affect on here. Due to this we can write it it's better than here because we know it's x power of 1. We know it and the x linear function is the linear function degree of the linear function is what? Degree of the linear function is the 1 in it. When we write the formula of linear function is f of x equal to ax plus b. When axa is what? Unequal to 0. Kana jechuun isaa yoo n kun walqixa ta'a 0 wajjin walqixa ta'uu baate bifa kanaan ta'uu yoo n kun bakka tana walqixa ta'a 0 ta'e 0 times any number is 0 waan ta'eef wanni duraa dhahamaa due to that one we have to restrict it when we write the formula or the general formula of linear function. Linear function formula general function barreessinu linear function kanarratti restrict godhuu qabna. Restrict giseennu daangeessu yoom yoo een kun 0 walqixa ta'uu baate jennee akkanatti daangaa itti goonee barreessina jechuudha. When we write the quadratic function is the degree of the quadratic function is 2. Quadratic function degree function is maali lama jechuudha. And let me write on it. Quadratic function is of the general formula of the quadratic function is f of x equal to x ax square plus bx plus c. C is constant. It's a number constant. When if and only here your a is unequal to 0 quadratic function in nuuf ifoma yoo nuuf dhuguma yanni keenya ibsannu. When we restrict only this, because doesn't matter. When b is equal to 0, c is equal to 0, it doesn't matter, really matter on it. Asirratti effectii isaan qaban takkeen jiru jechuudha. Asirratti wanummaa akkadu 0 ta'uu baatu doesn't really matter. Waan dhimma ittiin qabu jechuudha. Inni eenyurra dhimma qabaaf polynomial function. Polynomial function is the type of polynomial function the quadratic function giseennu. Quadratic function is the degree of quadratic function is 2. No, as you can see, no, 2 jira gubbaa degree isaa kana jechuudha. Degree jechuun kan gubbaa kana jechuudha. Yeroo degree gubbaa kana we call it degree. Degree jechuun guddina isaa ibsa. Because as amma degree takkaa jira, as lamaa jira, as meeqaa jira, c bira. Degree hin jirtu malee 0 jira. I show it if you want to see. When we x raised to 0 within any number, the power of any number, for any number, x raised to 0 is equal to 1. You got me? 100 raised to 1. 100 and the power of 0 which make it 1 jechuudha. Okay. Kana fakkaata. Polynomial function quadratic function restrict eenyu qofa godhuu qaba kana qofa jechuudha. Because it is the polynomial function is it has the degree is 2. Its degree is 2 lama degree polynomial function quadratic function x squared over we have to restrict it just the restrict is a good one restrict accept dhaabna bifaanaan ta'uu yoo een nodurkaadha. Because 0 times any number is 0. This function is changed to what? Linear function when a is equal to 0 a is unequal to 0 but it doesn't equal to 0 okay. The domain of function is a set of all real number, and the range is also a set of all real number. Any polynomial function any linear function. Linear function keessatti domain isaa maali? All real number akkasuma range isaatis all real number. What is domain? What is range? You can ask it yourself and your teachers. Use the tools. Domain is a big, largest one, and range is a smallest. When we define it in English, first let me try to define in English and then